Jay the Shark here with your Phuket weekly weather video update live. Well, it's not live, is it? Because I'm recording this, but it's Sunday morning. As you can see, it's a little bit cloudy, but there is some blue sky up there, which is very nice. Anyway, if you want to know what the weather's doing for this week, which is the first week of June, happy June, everybody, then stay tuned and watch the next 7 minutes because it will give you the weather forecast. Well, I say forecast. I'll kind of look at the weather and make some decisions and see what it's doing, and you can watch and make your own minds up. Yeah, there you go, really. Yeah, right, enjoy the weather. Mischief, let's go. Weather time. Yeah, why did the flag flap? There's no atmosphere on the moon. Oh, hello! Jay the Shark here with your weekly weather forecast. We know that because you just watched the intro, didn't you? Anyway, let's get to it. So, we're going to crack on with windy. Now, why do we look at windy? It's windy.com, and we look at windy because the wind shows us if it's going to be a little bit bumpy out there, and it shows us where the where the weather's coming from. So, this is Sunday morning, 8 o'clock, and as you can see, now, blue over here is good. Okay, green is windy, yellow's really windy. So this is Sunday morning as we look at it now. There is a bit of wind coming. It's coming from the south, which is a bit strange. Which is not good for me because I'm going out this morning on a boat. That's right. It looks a bit bumpy out there. Maybe we'll go up to Hong Krabi, which is up here. It should be okay up there. Anyway, let's look at Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon, yeah, it's not too bad. It's a little bit green, pale green, so it's not going to be too crazy. Now let's look at Monday. This is Monday. Happy June, by the way. I didn't say that. Happy June, everybody. June's good, actually, because it's my son's birthday. How old are you, Ashton, this year? 11? 11. Wow. And also, it's Mischief's 5-star dog's first birthday. She's one, obviously, because it's her first birthday. I was just trying to work out the date. That's on the 29th. So, Ashton, you're 19th, aren't you? 19th of June, so in a couple of weeks. And Mischief is the 28th. Anyway, you don't need to know about that unless you want to buy them presents, which you can do. Save me some money. What do you want, Smash, for your birthday? He wants road bucks. Give us some road bucks. If you've got any free road bucks, send them my way. Thanks very much. Anyway, let's look at Monday the 2nd. The wind's not too bad. Nice and purple's good, by the way. Purple's even better than blue. So Monday morning looks like a really good day to go out. Let's look. Oh, hold on. It does start to pick up. Now, this is interesting. It really gets a bit windy Monday afternoon. Let's go. What have I done there then? So that's Monday at 6 a.m. Monday at 11 a.m., which looks nice. Monday at 1 o'clock. Monday at 4 o'clock. I didn't realise you could do all this. That's Monday at 8 o'clock. Wow, look, it's windy there on the west coast. It doesn't matter because we're not going on the west coast. So Phi Phi's here. It's gone all over the shop, isn't it? Monday looks very interesting. Only because I've just worked out now how to do the different times on the different days, which is nice. Anyway, so Monday does look a little bit windy. It might be a bit bumpy, which is, I can't get it. So 1 o'clock on Monday here, 4 o'clock. So it does get windy in the afternoon. So if you're coming back from Phi Phi, it might be a bit bumpy. Let's look at Tuesday the 3rd. Ooh, dear me. Tuesday looks a little bit windy, which means it will be bumpy coming down to Phi Phi. Now remember, I've got some hair on my screen. That's not very nice. Not sure what type of hair that was. Ooh. Anyway, Pangnar Bay, which is up here, is always protected. Now I can show you, if I can zoom out, which I can hit that button. As I zoom out, oh my word. Don't look at that side with this green, but that's on the west coast. But this here is Pangnar Bay. You can see it's protected because Phuket's here and Pangnar here, and it gets into the Krabi province, which is down here. So Pangnar Bay is always protected. So this time of year, if it is a bit windy, Pangnar Bay is a place to go because it's a little bit more. It's not a little bit more. It's very much more well protected. Unlike Phi Phi, which is here, as you can see, it's very open to the conditions coming in. So that's Tuesday morning. It's Tuesday afternoon. Looks like it drops off a little bit Tuesday afternoon, which isn't too bad. Oh dear. Tuesday does look a bit windy. Let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday morning. Oh, looks like it's going to be a windy start of the week. A windy June. There's lots of beans being eaten for June, that's for sure. Let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday afternoon looks even windier. Wednesday night, not so bad. Let's look into Thursday the 5th. Still pretty windy. Oh dear. Thursday afternoon. Yeah, still coming in. But once again, if you look here, I'll come closer in so you can see. Zoom in, zoom in. Oh, I've really zoomed in now. Let's zoom out on that one. There we go. As you can see, this is Pangnar Bay. James Bond Island is around about up here. So you can see it's still blue and purple. And I bet if I went back to every day, see, still blue and purple. This is Tuesday. Okay, that's a bit of a what colour's that? That greeny colour. So it might be a little bit windy up there, but Monday looks perfect. So that's why we always say that Pangnar Bay is pretty well protected. Let's look at Friday and see Friday's nice in Pangnar Bay. We pull out a little bit, so to speak. Not always the best method unless you want children. If you've got purple and blue here in Pangnar Bay, which is nice, still very, very windy on the west coast, which is normal. Let's look at Friday afternoon. Friday afternoon's quite windy, so PP looks a bit bumpy. And then Saturday the 7th, wowzers. Saturday the 7th looks very, very windy. We should keep an eye on that. And then Sunday the 8th, holy moly. So next weekend, 7th and 8th, what am I doing 7th and 8th? Oh, that's right, horse riding competition. I'm not competing, mind, I'm emceeing. I get the kids' names wrong because they're all funny names. Not easy names like Claire or Bob or Dave. Stuff like Esmeralda and Amelie spelt with E's and Yasmina spelt with J. So you should be Jasmina, but then I got told off calling her Jasmina. It's Yasmina apparently. Silent J turns into a Y. I love the English language. Anyway, next weekend does look quite windy. We will keep an eye on this because the wind does look like it's building throughout the week. If you have booked a tour for next week, we obviously, and Sean, not me, but Sean will send you an email the day before and the day of your tour to let you know what the weather is doing and if it is too inclement or it is too bad. Like I said, normally we can always go up to Pangnar Bay. Even Saturday and Sunday looks quite windy up in Pangnar Bay. Saturday not too bad. But there you go. Let's look at the actual, I know this is very, very small, but this is your standard weather forecast. This is acute weather. Sunday today, 35 degrees, chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon, not too bad. Monday, 33 degrees, all about 33. It feels really hot at the moment just because of the humidity. But does seem there's going to be quite a lot of rain coming in the next few days. Monday, 75% chance, Tuesday, 83, Wednesday, 91%, Thursday, 91%, and drops off. And then weekend, yeah. So, interesting week so far. But it could change. Like today is quite nice. Yesterday was really nice. And the day before was lovely. So you never know. You do never know. Now this is our TMD weather radar, which is absolutely pointless for you to look at because this is live right now. And as you can see, Phuket is very tiny in the middle here and it looks absolutely fine. But we have this on all day long. I say we. Sean has this on all day long in the office so he can see what weather's coming in so he can let all the guides know what's going to happen. So there you go for your weather this week. It does look like it's building. The first start of the week looks okay. End of the week from Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday does look like it's going to be a little bit windy, but you never know. That might change as the weather patterns do change. Thank you everyone who has commented on our weather videos. We do reply to all of them. Unfortunately, I do not know what the weather's going to be like on the first week of September. Okay, that's pointless asking me that question. We don't even know what it's going to be like next week, and it will change. Well, we have a guess of what it's going to be like next week, but that will change. So we don't know what it's going to be like in the future. So you just have to take it easy, chill out, and just keep watching our weather videos. We also do weather shorts each and every week. I'll go to the pier or go somewhere and do a weather short to show you what the weather's doing live right at the minute. In fact, here's a little short that we did last week to show what the weather's doing. Good, eh? There you go. Our intern filmed that. Her name's Pam. She's lovely. Doesn't speak much English, and she doesn't really get my sarcasm, obviously, because she doesn't really understand me. But then again, not everyone does. Right, that's your weather forecast here for this week. It looks like it's going to be a windy week, but it's a lovely week. Few drops of sunshine, but that's good for the old garden, isn't it? Nah, it doesn't really hurt you. Go to Pangnar Bay. It's lovely. Right, there you go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment below if you've got any questions. Love you. Bye. Right, now this moon landing thing, let's have a little watch of this. It didn't move. It is flapping, isn't it? There's no wind on the moon. I mean, how does it work? What's this one? There's a rock here, apparently. Yeah, why can't... That's a good question. Look at this. Where's that gone? Where's it gone? Why is that stars? Why can't we see... Yeah, there's no stars at all. I think it's fake, mate. Hollywood studio. It's all fake. Oh, you're still there? Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's go. We've got to do the weather. Mischief!
the time.
People, you,